Okay, so you've logged into your WordPress account and you've realised, as I just have, that you can't install plugins. The reason for this, for me anyway, is that I moved this copy of WordPress from a multi-user account where you have a network administrator to install plugins to a standalone account where the admin should be able to install plugins but can't, because I copied the users from the multi-user account, and the administrator doesn't have the network administrator capabilities. So what I need to do is give them those capabilities, and you can do that by logging into your WordPress database, going to your options table and searching for the WP user roles option, and in there is a serialized array of all the capabilities of all the users. In fact, it's all the users' roles and all their capabilities, all the users and their capabilities. These things are really difficult to edit. They're not really meant to be edited by humans. They're meant to be unserialized by PHP and then messed around with. But because we need to do this, you need to understand what you're looking at, really. So like I said, we're looking at a serialized an array. So it's an array turned into a string, and it basically describes what it is. So A stands for array. So the first thing in this array is an array, and it has got 5 keys in it. So the first key in this array is a string, and the string has 13 characters, and the string is administrator. So that's how it works, basically. And then we've got another array, and the array has 2 keys in it, and the first key is a string that's name, and the second thing in there is a string with the with 23 characters, and it is administrator user roles. So anyway, we go along and we find capabilities. Now the capabilities is an array again, and it is 95. It's got 95 keys in there. So one of them is your plugins. Well, a few of them have to do with plugins. So I've searched for plugins, and I found here I've got activate plugins, which is a boolean and it is true, which is good, which is what we need, which we can already see. And then we've got another string with 12 characters, edit plugins, and booleans true. What we haven't got is an install new and a delete. So I've gone into another WordPress installation where it works, and I've copied the keys, the array keys that control whether you can delete and install plugins. So we've got here is the string 14, delete plugins, boolean true. String 15, install plugins, boolean true. So we need to paste that into this array. So we need to find out where it's going to go, and now we just put it here. So that's after edit themes. I found a semicolon, and it's before the next thing, which is a string. So I'm going to paste it in there. Now that's cool. It's not going to work though. The gotcha is you must change the number of keys in this array, because this array is your capabilities, and it's got 95. I've just added 2 more, so that's 97. So hopefully, if we select all this, copy, go into your WordPress database, you should back this up, because we've just been editing a serialized array by hand, and it's really easy to break everything. I reckon I've done it right, so I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to click go to save it. WP options, everything's right. Go, saved. Right, if we go back to WordPress, fingers crossed, we refresh. Boom. Add new and delete. Have we got delete? Yes, delete. That's how to edit a serialized array by hand and fix WordPress installs, where you can't delete or install new plugins. That's everything.